Having problems with your key fob with your Ford Edge? No worries, we've got you in this video. Let's show you how to replace the battery and more.
You are watching Watts Lock on Key.
To take off the case for the key fob on this Ford, all you have to do is take out this key, and you're going to put one finger on here, leaving it open, and then you're going to wedge this key here underneath as well. So as you can see, as you wedge it underneath, it will pop off this casing here, and then you'll have access to your battery. So there you have it, and this is for the Ford Edge. So with the Ford Edge, when the key fob is not being detected to start the car, in this model, which is a 2014, the key is actually slides into this slot where it will be detected. So here we have it. If you have any issues with your vehicle after this, please leave those comments below, and we hope this video helped you. Enjoy.
You are watching Watts Lock on Key.